Speak English with coffee.
Today, talking about your future.
Hello, and welcome back. I'm Mia, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Sam. It is so nice to see you again.
Today, we want to talk about your future. We want to help you talk about your plans in easy English.
This is a nice thing to talk about. But, Mia, the future is hard, right? You need hard grammar for it.
That is what many people think. But here is the happy truth. You do not need hard grammar at all.
Oh, really? But people say you need hard grammar. The will and the going to feel so hard to me.
I understand. But you can talk about your future with a few simple words. I will show you. And it is easy.
That is good to hear. So I can talk about my plans without perfect grammar?
Yes, exactly. So today, you will learn 5 useful words and easy ways to talk about your future.
And you do not need to do anything now. You can just relax and listen with us.
Yes, and if this helps you, you can subscribe. It is free, and it helps other learners find us too.
So let's begin. Mia, what is the first easy way to talk about the future?
Well, first, let's learn the word future. The future is the time after now. It is tomorrow, next year, and the days after that.
The future. Okay. So the future is everything that comes after now, tomorrow, and all the days after.
Exactly. And here is the good news. To talk about tomorrow, you only need easy words. Listen to this.
I am listening. So how do you talk about tomorrow, Mia?
It is so simple. You can say, tomorrow I am going to see my friend. That is the future in easy words.
Oh, I am going to. That is not hard at all. I know those words.
Yes, you already know them. I am going to is a perfect, easy way to talk about your plans.
Plans. That is our next word. Can you tell us what a plan is, Mia?
Yes, a plan is a thing you want to do and when you will do it. Like, on Saturday, I will see my family.
Oh, I see. So a plan is a thing for the future with a day, like Saturday or next week.
Exactly. And you can talk about any plan with easy words. On Monday, I'm going to work. Simple.
That is lovely. So the future is not scary. It is just, I am going to, and a day.
Yes, you do not need hard rules. You need a few easy words and your plan. That is all.
That is wonderful. And what if my plan is not sure? Maybe I will do it, maybe not.
Oh, good question. Then you can say, maybe I will see my friend. The word maybe is so useful.
I love that. So maybe tells people the plan is not sure. That is so easy.
Yes, maybe is a lovely little word. With it, you can talk about a plan that is not sure yet.
So Mia, this is the big idea. You do not need hard grammar to talk about your future.
Exactly. A few simple words and a day, and you can talk about any plan. It is easy and friendly.
That is so kind to hear. So how do I make a plan? How do I decide what to do?
Oh, that is our next word. Decide. Decide means you have 2 things and you pick one. You say, yes, I want this one.
Decide. I like that word. So I think about my choices and then I decide?
Yes. Maybe you can go to the park or to a cafe. You think and you decide. I will go to the park.
Oh, that is easy. So I decide one thing and then I have my plan.
Exactly. You decide and then you say it in easy words. On Sunday, I am going to the park. A perfect plan.
That is so helpful. And what if I cannot decide? What if both things are nice?
Oh, that happens to everyone. Then you can say, I am not sure yet. Maybe the park, maybe the cafe. That is okay too.
That is so kind. So I do not need to decide right now. I can think about it.
Yes, you can take your time. And when you decide, You tell people in a few easy words. So simple.
And Mia, how do I ask another person about their plans?
Oh, it is so easy. You can ask, "What are you going to do this weekend?" People love that question.
That is nice. So I can ask, and then I listen to their plan.
Yes, you ask, they answer, and you have a lovely little chat about the weekend. So friendly.
This is so helpful, Mia. So can we talk about bigger things too, not just tomorrow?
Oh, yes. Let's talk about your big hopes for the future. That is so nice.
Yes, please. How do I talk about my big hopes for the future?
Well, here is a lovely word, hope. Hope means you want a good thing to happen. You say, "I hope it is sunny tomorrow."
I know that word a little. So, I hope is for a good thing I want?
Yes, exactly. I hope is for the good things you want. I hope I get the job. I hope my friend is happy. It is warm and kind.
Oh, that is lovely. So, with I hope, I can share the good things I want.
Yes, and it is so easy. I hope, and then a good thing. Anyone can say it, even on day one.
And Mia, what about a plan for this year? Something I want to do soon.
Oh, lovely. You can say, "This year, I am going to learn English well." That is a wonderful plan.
I like that. So I can have a plan for this year in easy words.
Yes, this year I want to, and then your plan. It is simple, and it feels so good to say.
Hira, what about the far future? The big dreams, many years away.
Oh, for that, we have a lovely word. Someday. Someday means a day in the future, but you do not know the day yet. Maybe it is next year, or maybe later.
Someday. That is a nice word. So, someday is for a big dream with no exact day?
Exactly. You can say, "Someday I want to visit Italy," or "Someday I will speak English very well."
Oh, I love that one. Someday I will speak English very well. That feels so good to say.
It does, and you are getting closer every day because you are here learning with us.
That is so kind. So I can talk about tomorrow and next week and someday too.
Yes, near or far, you have the words now. Tomorrow, on Saturday, I hope, and someday. All easy.
And Mia, where do people use these words? At work? With friends?
Everywhere. At work, someone may ask, "What are your plans?" And you can answer with easy words.
Oh, that is useful. So even at a job interview, I can talk about my plans simply.
Yes, you can say, "I hope to learn a lot. Someday, I want to be a manager." Simple and very good.
What do we say?
Oh, with friends, it is so fun. "What are you doing this weekend?" "I am going to the beach." Easy and happy.
I love that. So talking about the future is not scary, it is fun, and it is easy.
Exactly. The future is a happy thing to talk about. Your plans, your hopes, and your big someday dreams.
And Mia, what if my English is not perfect when I talk about it?
Oh, that is completely okay. You do not need perfect English. A few warm, simple words are always enough.
That is so kind. So I just share my plan in my own easy words.
Yes, people love to hear your plans and hopes. They do not count your grammar. They listen to you.
And Mia, is it okay to have a very big dream, even if it feels far away?
Oh, yes. A big dream is wonderful. You say, "Someday I will do it." And you get a little closer every day.
That is so kind. So I can dream big and start small today.
Exactly. A big someday dream and one small plan for tomorrow. Both are lovely to talk about.
This is so wonderful, Mia. So near or far, I can talk about all of it in easy words.
Yes, you have them all now. You can talk about your whole future with a smile. And you can start today.
That is so encouraging, Mia. Thank you. Now it is easy and fun to talk about the future.
Well, this was a happy chat about the future. Let's look again at the 5 words from today.
That is a good idea. They are all useful words for your plans.
First, future. The future is the time after now. Tomorrow, next year, and the days after.
Next, plan. A plan is a thing you want to do and when you will do it.
Then, decide. Decide means you think, and then you choose one thing.
After that, hope. Hope means you want a good thing to happen.
And last, someday. Someday means a day in the future, but you do not know which day.
Those are 5 good words for your future. You can use them all today.
Now we have one small question for you. What is one plan or one hope for your future? Tell us below.
We read every single comment, and we would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. You learned 5 new words, and that is wonderful.
If you enjoy these warm chats, please subscribe. Then you can join us again next time.
Next time, we will learn a tiny morning habit. It is just 10 minutes, and it helps your English a lot.
It will be a kind and helpful chat. We really hope you can join us.
So take good care of yourself, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now.